open up to questions.
Yes, let's go into our Q&A session. Zach, we do have a question for you. Cornell Burnett asks, does DecoNetwork software have the capability for all over print?
That's a great question. That is a very great question. Yes, I have definitely helped several all over printers, whether it be cut and sew or just large format heat pressing. It is possible, absolutely. If I'm going to be completely straightforward, I have seen websites with design tools that were built specifically for an all over print shop. And that would be, I've seen, for example, wrestling singlets. They're pretty much all over sublimated. And I've seen websites where I can design a custom singlet and change the piping color and XYZ. And so that works. I mean, it was custom developed. I've never seen any solutions like Deco for all over shops. But to the question, yes, I can upload an image of a front of a shirt and a back of a shirt and then drag artwork on it and simulate what it's going to look like as an all over product. I absolutely can. But the thing about all over printing, and a lot of the times it's cut and sew, it's a made to order manufactured product, more so than buying a blank from like Sanmar and heat pressing it. Now you can, it absolutely can. But yes, I mean, I would show the front of a shirt. I'd show the back of the shirt. I can add the customer's artwork myself in Business Hub, or they can do it on the design tool. It is absolutely possible, but if I'm being really blunt, I have seen design tools specifically built for big companies for just their website. So I just don't want anybody thinking that, that's the exact solution. Deco's design tool, though, will make it work. I've helped over a dozen cut and sew companies offer all over sublimated products, whether it be masks, shirts, pants, doesn't matter.